Hello everybody guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Fkosta Tutorials and welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to be going to show you guys on how to get fake verification badge using a code Bloxstrap. Yeah, I know the Bloxstrap is actually this is going to be very interesting in the video on this channel on Fkosta Tutorials. Before the video starts guys, if you're really helpful guys for this Roblox tutorials and other content of Windows or Roblox tutorials content, make sure guys like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Yeah guys, everybody guys, and yeah, so let's do it. Alrighty guys, for the first of all guys, if you have this Bloxstrap here, I'm pretty sure it's a free program here, so I'm going to be going to link in the description if you want to download it here. So go to the Bloxstrap menu here and go to the fast flag. Go to the fast flag editor, click on it here, and we got this fx string of whitelist verify user ID. So I'm going to be going to put it right now on the screen after that. Okay, so the first of all guys, what you guys need, click on the add new here to type in a name. And the first of all guys, what you guys need, make sure guys copy your Roblox. Make sure guys copy of Roblox number, or whenever your Roblox account is gonna be really joked on it here guys. So what you guys need, go to the whenever Roblox profile number here. This is for this number right here. First of all guys, what you guys need, put this number right here, the number website right here. What you guys need, right click, copy, or Control C or Control V on the keyboard. So first of all, go to this value here is there's the value here if you want to copy of numbers of Roblox with your Roblox profile. So click on OK, and what you guys need, click on save. First of all guys, for the next one, I'm gonna be going to playing some in any games that is gonna be going to test. Alrighty guys, as you guys can see here, and now Roblox profile is really actually works with a fake verification badge in Roblox without 100k subscriber, without 100k followers, or Roblox Studio thingy guys. I mean, woohoo! I think it's really easy to get this one, so I'm gonna be going to in every single time. I'm gonna do every single to type in one of those videos. Yep, this actually works with the very fake verification badge. If you really people's fake or stuff are making live streams on it on YouTube, if you really start for this, I mean, it's kind of like, oh, okay, I can do it like that. And yeah guys, alrighty guys, thank you guys for watching guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure guys like this video guys and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and I hope you guys gonna be like a brand new good fake verification badge in Roblox. So it's gonna be good, and yeah, using a Bloxstrap, I'm pretty sure again. So yeah, I think it was doing a great guys. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out everybody, and Fkosta Tutorials out. Peace out.